Python comes with a rich set of built-in modules, which are libraries of code that you can use to perform various tasks. These modules help you avoid writing code from scratch and improve your productivity. In this tutorial, we'll explore 3 essential built-in modules: os, sys, and datetime. The sys module provides access to some variables used or maintained by the Python interpreter and to functions that interact with the interpreter. This can be useful for handling command line arguments or controlling the execution environment of your Python script. The datetime module supplies classes for manipulating dates and times. It allows you to perform arithmetic on dates or times and format them in a human-readable form. This module is essential for applications that require precise handling of time data.